Trajenta belongs to the group of gastrointestinal and metabolism medications. It is supplied in cardboard packages containing 30 tablets. The active ingredient of the medication is linagliptin. Each tablet contains 5 milligrams of linagliptin. You can find the list of excipients included in the medication at the end of this video. The information you will hear in this video was prepared using the official leaflet to inform Trajenta users. If this video is helpful for you, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, and enabling notifications. What is Trajenta, and what is it used for? Trajenta is an oral anti-diabetic medication that helps lower blood sugar in adults with type 2 diabetes. Trajenta tablets are used when diet and exercise alone are not enough in type 2 diabetes, and when combination therapy with metformin, sulfonylurea, empagliflozin, or insulin is required in adults whose blood sugar levels are not adequately controlled. Trajenta helps keep blood sugar levels consistently under control. How to use Trajenta tablets. Always use this medication exactly as prescribed by your doctor. The recommended dose is 5 milligrams once daily. The medication may be taken with or without food. Tablets should be swallowed whole with a glass of water. Your doctor may ask you to use Trajenta together with another oral anti-diabetic medication. To achieve the best results for your health, make sure to use all your medications exactly as your doctor advises. Trajenta tablets should not be used in children or adolescents under 18 years of age. If you forget to take a dose, you may take it as soon as you remember. However, if it is close to the time of your next dose, do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Do not stop using Trajenta on your own without medical advice. Stopping the medication may cause your blood sugar to rise again. Things to know before using Trajenta tablets. If you are allergic to the active ingredient or any of the excipients, you should not use this medication. This medication is not used in type 1 diabetes or diabetic ketoacidosis. If you have previously had a pancreas disease, inform your doctor. Using this medication together with sulfonylurea type drugs may increase the risk of low blood sugar. If blisters appear on your skin, stop using the medication and consult your doctor. Trajenta tablets should not be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding without medical advice. Possible side effects of Trajenta tablets. As with all medications, side effects may occur in individuals sensitive to the ingredients of Trajenta. However, these side effects do not appear in everyone who uses the medication. Serious side effects requiring emergency attention include severe low blood sugar, swelling of the face, lips, or throat, severe abdominal pain and vomiting. If any of these occur, stop using the medication and seek medical help immediately. Milder side effects that may occur include nasal and throat infection, cough, constipation, increased amylase or lipase levels, and skin blisters. These side effects occur in fewer than 1 in 100 patients. If this video was helpful for you, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Share your experiences and opinions about using this medication in the comments section. I wish you healthy days.